How to disable Weverse on mobile. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to disable Weverse on your mobile device, you have several options. You can go ahead and log out, which is the temporary option. This will disconnect your session and stop notifications. So for that, you need to open your Weverse application, then tap on the More tab in the bottom of the screen, and then tap on the gear icon in the top right to access your settings. Now scroll down and there you will see the option of logout, which is highlighted in red color. Simply tap on it to log out from this specific account that you're logged in. Now you can go ahead and delete the application. So tap and hold onto the Weverse application, then tap on uninstall or delete app and tap on OK to confirm. And this removes the app from your phone but does not delete your account. So on iPhone, you can also long press the app icon and tap on remove app. Now let's talk about deactivating your account. So this option is permanent. This permanently deletes your data, information, and everything that has been stored over here. So open the Weverse app, then tap on the More icon in the bottom right corner. Go to My Account, that is beside your username icon. Once you're in the My Info page, scroll down, and there you will see the option of Delete Weverse Account under Terms and Conditions. And that's it. You can follow the confirmation steps that you might need to re-enter your password or verify your account. And once deleted, your data, post, comments, likes, etc. is gone forever. And you can also stop notifications without deleting anything. So open Weverse, tap on the More icon from the bottom, or you can also go ahead and tap on the bell icon, which indicates the notifications in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it again, and if you have allowed the allow notification option, as my notifications are turned off in my device, I can turn it on by tapping on allow notification, and you can follow the same steps to disable notifications for the Weverse app. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.